Hey guys, it is your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Happy 2021. It's been a minute. I have not, I guess I took a break for the holidays, around the holidays, and I am back. Today I just wanted to do a new, fresh foundation routine. Not going to do anything too heavy on the eyes, but I have been seeing a lot of people just kind of like tweaking a little bit how they do their highlighting and contouring. So I wanted to try that out today and see how it works. So if there are any new products that I use, which I don't know that there will be, I will definitely let you know. And all the products will be in the description below. So let's get started. All right, so one of the new products I am going to use is this new, this is the e.l.f. Prep and Blur Stick. And I'm just going to put that, right there in the T-zone where we don't want those pores to show. I already prepped my skin with my normal Face Base by Bobbi Brown. So normally in the past, and it's not that I haven't done it before, but just recently I have been doing my eyes first, the brows and the eyeshadow. I'm going to start with the face first. I'm using my NARS concealer. I'm just gonna place it here. It's been real minimal, like the amount of concealer that's being used that I've been seeing lately. I guess that's just to help keep from dragging it down so far. Also gonna place it here, down the bridge of the nose, on the chin. Now I'm gonna go in with my Oouma, the Double Take Sculpt and Strobe stick. So it's kind of like a backwards contouring, I guess. I don't know the technical term for it. But that's what we're doing. Right here. And at the tip of the nose. Seems pretty easy. Let's see how this blend out goes. That's the question. You can go in with your beauty blender or your foundation brush. And I actually have a little bit of foundation on my brush already. I'm using the Juvias Place Concealer number 7. And just starting to blend the darker contour out first. You want to be kind of light-handed. You want this to still stand out. So you don't want to blend it in so much that it doesn't show. And I want to tap the concealer in. And I feel like I look like the Joker. I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender. But it seems to be coming together. You definitely got to take your time. You just can't blend it all together. Taking this little rounded brush to go in on the contour for the nose. Too bad, not too bad. I was definitely a little concerned because it just seemed kind of all over the place, and I was worried about how I was going to blend it out, but it is not bad at all. You see I got a little break, so yeah, that's from a mask. I forgot that I was going somewhere because I really don't leave the house, like really don't leave the house, and I had to go somewhere, and I had a mask in the car that I had already used. Not the best practice, but I did have to wear it for a little bit of time. And these are the friends that they left over for me. Say hello, hello. Here we're gonna lay a light layer of powder first. And laying that up under the eyes. And I did recently get this by Haley's. It is the Perfecting Powder Loose Setting Powder. I just heard some good things about it, so I wanted to try it out. I'm gonna lay a light layer to the skin. And I have used this before, and what I noticed is that it gives a very like photoshopped veil type of look. You can't really tell probably from the camera, but it definitely sets very softly. You can definitely set the rest of your face. It does it without giving it such a dry, cakey look. I really do like this powder, and it's affordable. Okay, so we are going to go in with a little bronzing powder right now. Of course, the name is kind of rubbed off, but it's my Morphe Glamabronze powder. What we did first, when we laid down that color from the Oouma stick, we were contouring. Now we're bronzing. And this just adds some warmth back. The contouring does shadowing to give dimension to the skin. As you don't always have to contour. You can bronze without contouring. You can contour without bronzing. And I like adding a bit of that down the nose as well. I'm gonna go over with a clean stippling brush and just pick up what doesn't need to be there. It also helps to like blend your products together as well. See, all it didn't need to be there. I do want to go in with a bit of blush. I am using e.l.f. Always Fiery. I love this color. A little bit above what we did bronzing. Finally, we are gonna go in with the eyes. So go in with a bit of brow gel. I took the time today, y'all. I trimmed my brows as I was waiting for this battery to charge. Shaped them up a little bit. So yeah, and as you know, we start always at the tail end of the brow. Where you lay down the product first is where it is heaviest. And for me, the tail end is the most sparse area. But I also want to keep my brows looking, you know, as natural as possible. I'll warm up the eyes. Using the Morphe Dare to Create palette. You know, stamp it in first and then blend it out. Baby, I look so glowy. I look so refreshed. I looked awake. I said I didn't want to do too much, and hopefully this small. I'm gonna go in with this little pigment that I got from Joe Michelle Pro Makeup in the color Criss. So when you say you don't want to do the most and you do the most, yeah. I'm gonna go in with a brown liner. It's a liquid liner from RubyKisses. Nothing too dramatic. Today was about the skin and I think my new foundation routine because I like it. I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Creations lashes. These are in Confidential. I have placed the glue on said lashes. I don't like them to go all the way into the corner over here because like it irritates me when I'm blinking and I keep feeling it. So I like them to be longer and wispier and lifted on the ends. Like so. Cute, 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 cute. So we're almost finished. We're gonna go and kind of smoke out the bottom portion of the eye. So we're gonna go in with some mascara. And just a bit on your lashes up under the falsies. Now the lip. And we have come to the lip. We have come to the lip portion of this episode. I'm using the Anastasia lip palette. See how it comes out. I don't know how this color gonna turn out, but we gonna try it. I may already be trying it. Ooh, she like. So it's the liner for me. So I'm gonna try going with this Chestnut. See if that makes a difference. Okay, what it is a lot better. It's a whole lot better. I can do this. I've done this. And she's done. So this is the final look, people. I hope you guys enjoyed this time with me. I enjoyed trying out these little new routines that I've never tried out. These little quick little tweaks and twerks and stuff like that. I think the foundation or the overall base of the face came out beautifully. I do. I would love to hear your comments below. Let me know how you like this routine compared to what I've been doing in the past and how you think it came out. Again, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.